Hello, how you guys doing? It's Sam Isaac from the T-shirt game, and I'm back again. And today I decided I wanted to do another tutorial, and this one is going to be on how to do a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. I noticed when you put those nicely designed thumbnail pictures up, it helps with your views. You know, I want to use this word. It's not a bad word, but some people it is. It's called clickbait. No, but it actually is. It makes you want to click the button a lot faster. You know, you see a really interesting thumbnail, you want to just click it. So that's the whole reason why I want to do this tutorial. I want to help you step your game up. Whether you use Canva, I love Photoshop, whatever designing software, GIMP, it can all be done the same way. But I use Adobe Photoshop, and so this is a Photoshop tutorial for thumbnails. Start getting ready to make a thumbnail image for YouTube. The better your thumbnails look, the better your views, more views you get. Just for some reason, it just attracts people to click that button. It's like a click and bait. I don't know. But we're going to do it in Photoshop. We're going to go over to Create New. And the pixels are 1280 by 720. So we're going to go to Pixels, and we're going to type in 1280 pixels. And we're going to go 980. No, 720 I said. Now the resolution only has to be 72 dpi. It's on the screen. Does not have to be the great resolution. That's all that it needs to be. And we're gonna call this thumbnail. In presets, so it'll be there. Now let's, instead of having it at 100%, let's have it somewhere at 75. So we have a decent screen. Okay. Now, what I like to do is this. The first layer is going to be locked. I want to put down a gradient. I actually have one here that I think is cool in my gradients. We could use this one. I always like that one. I want to undo that because I want to create a layer. I forgot. Now I want it on its own layer. I don't know. Just get finicky like that. Now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to be creating how to do the design I'm going for is a hip hop backdrop. So let me get some art that I need. I got a photo. The right photo sells my video, my YouTube video. Okay. I'm going to drag and drop her right in the video. Now she's taking up the whole video. So we're going to hold the Control and T key. No, actually we're going to do free transform. I want to tell you, I want to show it to you right here. Now we hold the shift key and we grab a corner, and that's going to keep those numbers going consistently the same. We just got to drag it over here. We can make her just a little bit bigger. Okay. Now we accept that. That's the way she's gonna look. Okay, now we're gonna add some text. The font that I like is the bold font. It's a pretty font. Gets noticed real quick. So we're gonna put how to, I don't want it big, how to design. Now we're gonna go to the next layer. I already have my point set about 180. So I just want the two letters, and everything is going to be gauged based on this style. So how to design so now I'm going to highlight the word design, and I'm going to copy it up there, and I'm going to hit the arrow up key so I could even out my design. Bring this down a little bit. Now it's going to be how to design a hip hop background. So now we got one more. It's okay that it's bigger, because what we're going to do is grab the text tool. We're going to go back up to it, and we're going to minus. Okay, we want to keep everything even. I might even have to move them up a little bit. It's fine. And the next word is going to be backdrop. I want these all on separate lines. There's a reason. I could have did it all in one typing, but that would have been a paragraph. I want to keep these separate because I want them to be a design separate. So they're on each words are on the different layers. I did it this way for a reason. A hip hop backdrop. Or we can put it like this, hip hop. Yeah. Hip hop backdrop. We highlight it. Now we're going to have to reduce it. Arrow down, minus tool. Keep minusing. Right about there. Looks good. It's kind of tight. Now I want to get a folder. We want to create a new group. So I'm just going to start here. I'm going to drag this layer into the group, design into the group, hip hop into the group, backdrop into the group. Doesn't really matter the order. If I click this one eye, all the words should go off at the same time. Cool. Reason why I want to do this, because I want to add effect to the group. So we'll just put, and just keep it simple, text right here. You can name these. Okay. I'll even put I'll move this in, just organizing. That's the cool thing with layers, and this, I'll have this as the background layer. If I wanted to give this file to somebody as a template or something, then it's organized and they won't have any headache trying to figure out what I did. It won't be messy. Now we go into the one that says text. We're going to click on the button that says effects. Right? First one I want to do is add a drop shadow to it. Okay, the drop shadow is there. The next thing I want to do is give it a stroke. And the next thing I want to do, I want to add the same style of gradient. Now, I want to put a gradient overlay. I have choices. It's just a blending trick. I could blend it like that, or I could blend it like that. I like that, gives me a little bit more pop. And that was the whole reason I grouped them. And we are done. So we go up to File. I want to save this as a PSD first. So we want to call it thumbnail PSD, which the file is there. And this is the directory that I wanted to go in. So I create that. Now, for YouTube, I need to save as a PNG. So, and I'm going to name this hip hop thumbnail. And make it a large file. And that is it. Close this. And I'm going to go to the directory that I put it in so I could show you what the artwork is going to look like. I named it hip hop thumbnail. This is it. Gonna open this up. And that's what our thumbnail looks like. Very simple. All right. You guys have a good day. God bless. And come back for another video. You are welcome to join our Facebook group, the T-Shirt Game University. This is a group where we give a lot of information. We're not taking from you, we're giving to help you grow.